Dr. Rose with Natural Transplants, and we are following up with Megan 1 year after her procedure. And how are you?
I'm great. I'm super happy. Super happy.
Love it. Love it. We basically restored your edges, and tell me how that's impacted your, day to day.
It's I think using the word life changing is appropriate. Anyone that struggles with traction alopecia around the front knows that it limits your ability to wear certain hairstyles, which then affects your confidence. And so, yeah, it is a life changer because I don't have to cover up one side. I don't have to use mascara to fill in my edges. I was using hair fibers, spray, just whatever I could. And I don't have to do that anymore. I am just like, it's life changing. Like I'm so glad that I did it. I'm so happy I did it.
I'm so happy for you, and it really frames your face. And we had talked a little bit before about just brings back the confidence that really, it's a lot to have to go through, but I'm so glad that it worked out this way. And if you could let's show, if you could look to the right and maybe just show it's about a year's worth of growth. That hair is going to continue growing, but look at that.
See it?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah.
Great. And then let's the other side.
Other side here.
Amazing. And all my women want to talk about ponytail goals, so let's throw it up. She can do a total pony. Let's see here.
Yeah, I could do a total. Yep.
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah. And no, it's it's funny because my hairstylist said, "Wow, you have the most perfect hairline I have ever seen in my life." I was like, "Thank you."
And you left it at that, right?
Yeah.
That's perfect.
Yeah, I would say the hairline is probably like the best part about it. I love the hairline.
And that's what I love to do. I definitely want to create hairline specific for your face. I never draw the same hairline on everybody. So that's I think that's the key for it to look natural. So that's a good compliment. And a lot of women are afraid about, the line in the back. It sounds scary. Talk a little bit about that, if you wouldn't mind.
I don't know where it is. We lost, I lost track of it maybe after the third month. I couldn't tell you where it is. I have no clue where it is. It's like it doesn't even exist.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for sharing your story, and enjoy all that hair. And
I will.
You look beautiful.
Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our HUE and HUE Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.